future of retail, Avalue will provide new models and create new relationships for customer services. In order to meet consumers' needs with greater speed and accuracy, thereby ensuring that they will return again and again. Through big data analytics, a highly effective workforce can be assembled according to specific requirements. Allowing for the flexibility to handle the entire scope of customer demands, so that the greatest benefits of the workforce are fully utilized. Dealing with busy times is a challenge for every store owner, but efficiency can be found at the push of a button, and the intangible can instantly be brought to reality. Owners will be able to raise inventory turnover rates during peak hours and increase store revenue, as well as enable employees to spot their weaknesses and improve themselves with handy in-store services. Touch, starting new relationships. QSer.